So this poem is about love and nature. You looked so sensuous in the summer sun as we laughed and played the fool near the nature reservation pool, on whose scummy surface water skippers skipped, and you said you had something to say. And a crow went, caw-caw, and I took it as an omen for those words that you were to impart. And I was about to say, pray, what is it? When the crow, caw-caw, again. What, you said? I said, what is it? But just as I said, what is it? A duck went quack, and the crow went caw-caw. The thing is, you said, taking me by the arm, I have to tell you that quack went the duck again. Went a nearby owl. Tell me, I said. Listen, you replied, looking at me in the eye. The thing is, caw-caw, quack, caw-caw. I didn't hear that, I said. But just as I said I didn't hear that, the duck went quack, and the owl went and the cuckoo went The love I have inside of me, you said, caw-caw, quack. And that passing chicken joined in. The thing is, caw-caw, quack. The thing is, oh, went a donkey. Who the hell let a donkey in? Oh, for heaven's sake, here comes a bird of paradise. Will you not just shut up for 1 minute? Let's just go home.